I want to preface this video by saying when I got home, my tire was at 15 psi. If you're going to sell a bike, please pump up the tires.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? It's comfy, yeah. It feels a lot different to my my old bike. Okie doke. First video on the new bike. And holy crap, it feels different from the CBR. Oh. Oh, it's smooth as well. This is the first inline 4 I've ever ridden. Seems like it'll be quite manageable. The engine braking is very aggressive, and the steering feels a lot different to the CBR. The CBR is basically raised clip-ons, and this is obviously a handlebar, so that's probably partly why. Jeez, it just really wants to turn. And the clutch is very stiff compared to the CBR, but the CBR had a very light clutch. I don't know, I swear there was toilets here. Oh, look at that. That's a nice angle. Just going to the toilet. I won't film this bit. I'll still follow you for a bit. Oh, gotta be careful with the high revs on this bike. Very comfortable, I have to say. That's one of my first impressions. I think it's a bit more upright than the CBR. Yeah, the steering feels so different. I'm guessing that's normal for this, I hope it is. Like, once you start swinging it, it just wants to swing. Yeah, that's my mum and Nan in the car in front. They gave me a lift to pick up the bike, which is much appreciated. And basically right now I'm riding it straight to the MOT. Because I did buy it without an MOT because I'm smart. However, I did look at the MOT history, and in about 20 years it looks like it's never failed one, not even an advisory, so I'm pretty confident it should pass, but I will give you an update on that. Maybe I'm just not used to riding a bike anymore. But like, the steering feels so good at high speeds, but at slow speeds it's like so loose. I maybe have to check the tire pressure when I get home. Oh, decent brakes. Maybe not the way to test them, but at least I know now. And yeah, something I did find out, there's no gear indicator. I've been spoiled by modern bikes, so I actually have to remember what gear I'm in, or just feel what gear I'm in now. The pegs are definitely higher than on my CBR as well. Not so high that it's uncomfortable. Kind of actually, it's a nice comfortable kind of angle actually. And I'm 5'11" and a half. I say 6 foot to most people, but as for the wind, it feels very similar to my aftermarket screen on the CBR, and it's a fairly windy day today as well. I think I might need to adjust my camera because I'm way more upright than I was on my CBR. Hopefully this isn't just pointing at the sky. And yeah, it is definitely quieter than I thought it would be, which is good. Suspension feels pretty... can't really tell yet. I need to put it through its paces. Oh, okay. Okay. I think my mum's racing me. I don't know if my mum was actually trying to spur me on there. Absolute legend. Yeah, something feels a bit... I don't know if it's just me, but something feels a bit strange on the edge of the tire. Like, I feel like I need to have a look at the tire pressure. I feel like a wasp on this inline 4. Just that buzzing. Absolutely buzzing. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, no, it's fine. I see bright lights, I slow down. Not that I've got a guilty conscience or anything, just, you know. I think I'm in, like, 3rd gear, maybe? clutchless upshifts feel pretty good on this bike as well, which is nice. Do you know what else I like is, because this is an undertail exhaust, I used to be a little bit self-conscious that my foot was going to be on the exhaust and like melting my boot, but you just really don't have to worry about that with this. Well, it's a lot easier to overtake on this. I've kind of left my mum behind. The definitely takes a bit more to downshift. Holy shit, that gets very fast very quick. That sound though, oh my. You can hear that R60 in A, or just in like 4, you know. Just in a bit of a rush, well, not in a rush, but I'd rather get to Elgin quicker since I'm on a bit of a time limit actually to get to this MOT. It's just an ambulance. Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? I was in fucking neutral. This bike is 100% comfier than my CBR though. I could sit all day in this. And we're back in Elgin. Alright.